Hey, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company. And we have a lot of parts laying around, so we decided that we should start restoring parts for people that are restoring motorcycles. This is the upper and lower triple clamp for 73 to 75 H1 500. Now, this is all powder coated parts. This is the neck lock, which comes with the key, and this key number I think is 911. So you have the flapper here, then the key will go in here, then the brake line goes in here. These are the bolts that we make, these pinch bolts. Then these are new rubbers, NOS. This is all powder coated. These are the pinch bolts that we make. These are the handlebar bolts that we make. This is the upper bolt that we make with the washer. And this also has the washer as well as the thick washer and the bottom washer. The bottom washer is used, but this is new from us, and this is new from us. And my parts are good. They do make a bolt like this that's available on the market now that I'm not really into, and it's hollow. They came solid. So that's how I had it made, was solid, exactly how they're supposed to be. And then you turn it around, and then we have the pinch bolt here that goes on the steering clamp. Now all this stuff is available a la carte if you don't want to buy the assembly. We have most of the stuff in stock. Of course we have all this because we make all this. I may have some of the bridges in stock. I'm not sure. But anyway, we just started building the stuff, and this is nice. A little pitting mark right here, but we can get by that. So anyway, as I said before, 73 to 75 H1, and this is a nice addition to your restoration. Or if your stuff's bent, this is a nice piece too. All right, well, thanks for looking at our stuff, and we're getting kind of into this, so thanks.